Kenuo boiler is a joint venture between China and Italy, focused on boiler producing and thermal engineering for more than 30 years. Has national A-class, ASME, CE, EAC, and DOSH certificates. Boilers are distributed over 30 places, exported to Asia, Africa, South America, the Middle East, and etc. GXZ-3 series, high-efficiency gas and oil-fired steam boiler, safe and durable, energy-smart and eco-friendly, applied to gas, diesel, HFO, and etc. Capacity ranges from 0.5 tons per hour to 30 tons per hour. Boiler body uses 3-path structure with economizer and condenser. Thermal efficiency higher than 98%. Burner adapts cantilever fan with air-cooled front flue box and ABB frequency inverter. Burnout rate reaches to 99.9%. Large space has low strain resistance. Steam dryness reached to 99%. Corrugated furnace liner is on right side, and 2-path threaded smoke pipe is on left side. A 3-path smoke pipe is at bottom left. Create a temperature difference between water on both sides of drum. Water circulation ratio is 3 times higher than old boilers. Water level is stable. Heat exchange efficiency is high. 20 degrees Celsius softened water, pumped by condensation deaeration pump, injected into condenser. Preheated to 90 degrees Celsius, enters the aerator. Save 80% of steam used by the aerator. 104 degrees Celsius deaerated water sent to feed water pump by booster pump. Variable frequency water supply passes first stage economizer. Heat to 140 degrees Celsius. Entering boiler to prevent oxygen corrosion caused by cold water. Boiler adopts PLC control system, remote access to Internet of Things, monitors safety of boiler. Integrated design of boiler, feed water pumps, burner, control cabinet, etc. It's simple to install and operate. Kenuo boiler, international standards, exquisite quality, warm the world. Meet global customers' demands for efficient and safe heating.